everyone, welcome to our math expert. Today we are going to learn about Big 7. This is explained by Tracy and drawn by Willa. Let's get started. So the first thing you want to do is draw a gigantic 7, just like in its name, Big 7. Now, in this case, you can put any number, but we're just going to choose random numbers. 2,589 as your dividend, and your divisor as 5. Now let's proceed. Now, remember, place value is very important in this case. You have to know all your place value and make sure that it's all accurate. The 2 is in the thousands place. The 5 is in the hundreds place. The 8 is in the tens, and the 9 is in the ones place. Just to make sure you got this. The next thing you want to do is now do all your multiplying and dividing. Let's get started again. Alright, so the closest we could think to 2,589 is 500. So that means 5 times 500. So you have to put 500s near the 7 of the straight part because that's what you're multiplying it by. Then you take the 2,500 and put it under the dividend and subtract. You should have got 89. The closest we could think again is 10. Which is 50. So you just minus that, and you should have got 39. And the closest we got again was 6. Because 5 times 6 is 30. So you just subtract again, and this is the same process until you get to the end, 0, or if there's a remainder, you go to as close as you can without any negatives. So then, all we can put 9 and 5 is ones. So that leaves you with 4, which is the remainder. And just so you know, this is a remainder because you cannot put 5 and 4. So let's make sure we got it right. Let's multiply to check. Oh, I'm sorry. We also have to add up the sides. Well, the one that we multiply with 5. You should have got 516. Remainder 4. Oh, I'm sorry. It's supposed to be 517. Little mistake there we got. Alright, proceeding with our little experiment. You're going to start to multiply. You're going to basically do the opposite what you did, which is divide to multiply. So that'll be 517 times 5. And then to get that, you have to, well, the answer basically is the dividend. You should have got your dividend you started out with. Now, just to make sure we're very, very, very accurate, we're going to check again with long division. Now let's check with long division. Alright, so basically, you do the same thing what you did with Big 7, but you didn't do any grouping, basically. And for this, long division is really easy because it's just the thousandths, and you just do it by 1. 4 by 1. Basically, you say 5 goes into 2 how many times? If you can't, put a 0. 5 goes into 25 how many times? Put that number down, which is 5. Then how much can it go into 258? I mean, 89. Sorry. Okay, well, proceeding with that, you keep doing that, and we'll save long division for next time. And you should have got the same answer you did with the others. Well, thank you guys so much for watching this. This really, really, really probably helped you, didn't it? Thank you guys so much for watching. See you next time. Remember, if you want to watch more, just look for Tracy and Willa's name.